Oh. Nope. Okay. Where is it? I know that clever slime keeps his slime collection somewhere in here. Let's see. Aha! Now I'm gonna have a real blast. Woo! La la la! Woo! 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 Oh! Oops! Oh! Ew! Okay. This is so relaxing. Oh yeah. What is this? Ew! Oh! Ew. Okay, let's try this one. What? Oh no! Well, I've got more slimes in stock. What? No more left? How fine. He'll do without them.
Right. Today I need... What's this? What? Where? Oh no! Samantha! Hey! I'm talking to you!
Why all the yelling?
Why is it empty?
Who knows?
I know it's you! Give me my slimes back!
Get lost, Sam. Your slimes are all gone.
What? How?
Simple.
I demand compensation!
Why are you so annoying?
Because slimes are my everything! They're more precious than candies!
Chill out, Sam. I'll make you 100 slimes.
100 slimes? But no way! Sue spends lots of time even with one slime, and you say 100?
Yeah, well, she doesn't know my secret.
Oh, well, I'm waiting.
You wait when pigs fly.
Hey!
Fine, I'm going.
Hey guys! Today Samantha will show us how to make a slime in 30 seconds. I find it hard to believe, but we'll see. How long does it usually take you to make a slime? Pause the video and write in the comments. Where is she? I always have to wait, Samantha!
Never fear, Samantha is here.
Oh, careful much?
Oh, sorry, your slime
You
mess.
are going to make slime and everything will be a mess.
Nope, this recipe is famous for no mess.
This recipe seems curiouser and curiouser to me.
Listen, why is nothing ready yet?
What do you mean? It's your recipe!
As if you didn't know what slime is made of. Right, I'm off.
Hey!
Scared, eh? Gotcha! We'll also need a marker, some face masks. By the way, these were mine. A bottle of contact lens solution, and some baking soda.
These items are quite suspicious. Are you sure it'll work?
I've tried it before, stop panicking. First of all, let's make a measuring cup out of a bottle. Slime, marker.
Here's your marker, oh slime maker, Samantha.
If you keep teasing me, I'm not making it.
Zipper on my lip.
That's better. Let's make 2 markings on the bottle. 2 fingers high. And 1 finger high. This will be a guideline. The first ingredient is the face mask. It's almost as relaxing as playing with slime. Now let's add some water. The first mark is the guide here. Good. Now let's add contact lens solution up to the second mark. There.
What do you think? Which sister wears contact lenses? Write in the comments.
Boom, 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 boom! I've almost forgotten about one of the fun ingredients, coloring. Let's add a few drops.
Phew! I thought it would be a pale slime.
Nope, it won't be now. And the last ingredient, baking soda.
Hey, you said no mess.
Just a few specks of soda. But now, bottle shaking time. We need to shake the contents really well until we get the slime consistency. Very fast.
Oh, your bottle shaking makes me dizzy.
Well, sit down. Who knew you were so fragile?
Hey, I'm not fragile. It's just well, it's exciting.
Yeah, right. Oh, I think it's done. Let's see. Oh, yeah. So good. Ooh.
slime really super fast.
Sure, I don't like time-consuming things. Oh, great. You know what? I'll keep it.
Excuse me? No, you owe me a whole bunch of slimes.
Well, we'll make more. Let's take some more masks and add some water and contact lens solution.
Now, try this color.
Bossing around, eh? Well, fine. And baking soda. Now shake it all up.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh, that's awesome! Woohoo! Big bubble.
Here.
I approve. Now, make more.
Really, aren't we? Fine. More. Blue, shake it. Perfect. Satisfied now?
Yes, thank you, Samantha, for compensating me for the slimes you've
If
ruined.
you're gonna be like that, I'll ruin this as well.
Now that I know the recipe, I'm not scared at all.
Good.
Hey! Oh, well, fine. Guys, give a thumbs up if you liked Samantha's recipe and subscribe to the channel. I'm off to get my slimes back. Bye!
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Sorry, Lilac, not for you. Not for you. What? This one's for me. It's me and you.
Whoever carved this completely captured my speedy look.
The rest of the meal?
Huh?
Not for you. Not for you. Lilac, a package for you. Oh, me? I wasn't expecting anything. Look, how did anyone ever do such a thing? I gotta find the perfect spot to put this.
Chipotle Express for all your mail. We are the best.
So everyone except for Moss and Thorn received a sculpture, which means one of them must be the sculptor.
Not Thorn, no. He's busy with spring cleaning at the Buttercup.
Moss, are you home?
It looks like Moss has been digging all day.
I have a feeling that Moss is the key to this mystery. Let's search the whole park.
Hey, another hole. Looks like Moss was here, under Plum's tree. Plum, are you awake?
Who wants to know?
Plum, it's Cap and Rose. We were just wondering if you've seen Moss.
I didn't really see him, because I went to hide when I heard him.
Why would you hide from Moss?
Because I heard him say, "What a wonderful piece of wood. Imagine all the things I can do with it." Oh, thought maybe he was gonna cut down my tree, so I hid.
Don't worry, Plum. Lily buds don't cut down trees. Are you sure that was Moss?
Well, not really. Oh, can I go back to bed now?
Of course, and thank you. You've been a big help.
And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Isn't exercising together fun?
Yes, I could do this all day.
Me too. In fact, since I can't stop, I may have to.
Hello, Your Majesties. We're sorry to bother you, but have you seen Moss? He passed by a while ago, carrying a piece of wood.
He went that way.
Thank you. Norbert!
I think that's enough exercise for today.
I don't know what these holes mean, but it sure seems like Moss made all those sculptures.
Have either of you seen that so-called delivery service? Oh, you mean Jerboa Express for all your mail. We are the best. The best, my Paul. I ordered a giant carrot cake, and look what they delivered instead. A box full of nutshells.
Oh, sorry, Ellery. We're busy looking for Moss. Have you seen him?
He was by here earlier. I have no time for his nonsense about wooden sculptures. In fact, I'm going inside to write a letter to the Jerboa Express, demanding that they find my proper package.
Moss has to be back at his house by now.
Rose, are you okay?
I think so, more or less.
Oh, sorry, Rose. Ever since this shovel got delivered to my door, I've been trying it out all over the park. It's fantastic. Wait, so this means you got a mysterious wooden sculpture, too? Even better than a sculpture, this shovel has been carved from the most incredible wood. I can dig anywhere.
So if it's not you, that only leaves...
Bucky? Gone again. Something's just not right with Bucky today.
Thorn, was it you who made the wonderful wooden sculptures and sent them to all of us?
Huh? It was you! They were all delivered in a box just like that!
Oh, that. Zinnia and Spearmint dropped it off. I haven't had time to open it.
Could you open it now, please, Thorn? We have to see what's inside.
A spoon. A beautiful and useful wooden spoon. Who did this?
We thought it was you. I'm beginning to think that this will remain a mystery. Wood chips! And look, there are others!
whoever dropped these wood chips was tired. Look how they walked all over the place. Now I recognize the teeth marks on this spoon. Not many can carve with their teeth, but if it's who I think it is, they would be very tired after carving that many sculptures. Too tired to clean or rake up wood chips.
Bucky?
Huh? I must have, I can explain.
Are you the one who sent wooden sculptures to all of the lily buds?
Well, yes. I wanted to make presents for all of you, so I worked late last night and most of today, too. I'm sorry, Chef Thorne.
It's fine, Bucky. I thought you weren't your usual hardworking self. Rose, I believe your mystery is solved.
Except for why, Bucky?
Because I feel so happy when I'm around you guys. I wanted to say so for a long time, but I guess I'm just shy.
Thank you, Bucky.
We all love our presents.
Cap's right, Bucky. Look, this spoon, I mean, this spoon is, what I mean to say is,
Chef Thorne, you don't have to say a thing.
good. Except this, forget spring cleaning. Let's have a party for Bucky!
I never got one letter from my fans, not even a postcard. Not to mention my giant carrot cake never arrived at all.
Wait, what's this? Wood? Who sends someone a cake made of wood? Well, it's still mail.